our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to track your real return on investment as a trader. So first of all, go to your Rebateboard dashboard and then click on Trader Return on Investment Tracker. So the whole reason why we build TRT is because we want to help traders to make a better decision in terms of their trading business, right? Their expenses. They need to know where they are spending money and where money is leaking. So this video, I will teach you how to add income, how to add outcome, how to also analyze your data to understand that where your money actually is going and where is, you are making the most of your profit and the adjustment that you need to make related to your expenses, because you will definitely be a profitable trader on MT5 and on your exchange or on any other trading platform, but you might end up losing without you noticing that, because there is a lot of expenses that you are spending as a trader. So you need to treat your trading as a business. So first of all, now this is my return on investment tracker. If it is your first time right opening it, so you are not definitely not seeing anything, okay, but you can see that I've already have tracked some expenses, the total income, the spend, and then my net P&L, total spend, total income, true return on investment, cost recovery. I have recovered my loss. So first of all, I have to add income or add transaction. That add transaction is outcome. Okay, when you transact, that means if you pay for a service, if you purchase a perfume, deposit in your broker or exchanger or any other related things, trading related things, everything related to trading, you can track it there. So let's say now I have purchased a perfume account and I have to track it here. So now I will click on add, then go to challenge please, and then select the brand that I've just purchased, which is, let's say, Pondem Waves, and I spend $200 on that challenge. Then I will now just save transaction, or if there is anything that I need to know, or to save and know later, a little note, then I can save it here. Then the next thing is to save my transaction. So I now add that transaction. It means that I spend $200 purchasing a funding pips challenge. From now on, our in-house Rebeta, which is Rebeta AI, your personal AI coach, will automatically learn and store that. So as you keep going, you keep adding transaction, it will now be giving you a link where, right, it will say that, okay, you have spent so amount on purchasing Pondem fees, but there's no income yet. What is happening? Maybe you now, let's say, breach that account, you also purchase another one with the Pondem fees, right? He will also count that and tell you that, okay, you have spent many times trying to do that, but most of the time you have been making most of your income from profits through funding next or any other program out there. So you can see trading losses is leaking, program pips are stacking. You can see all your breakdowns, where your money is coming where and from where. Then if it is income, you now come here and add the income. It is payout, rebate, broker withdrawal, affiliate income, scholarship, trading profit, any other things, anything related to trading. Beautiful part about that is that when you click this and add a transaction, this will be automatically attached to your trading journal. While you are adding your trading journal, it will automatically ask you to add which type of account you traded that day. So when you click on Pondem Waves, which is the one that we have just added now, the system will automatically add income or outcome, because while adding my trading journal, I will tell the system or write my final P&L. The system will automatically create that P&L, whether it is loss or win, to here. I will see my recent activities here, and no need for me to come and add income or outcome later. Thank you.